All right, we are live and recording.
Alrighty.
Taxi out of here.
Nope. You got an ultralight on your right?
Okay.
On the runway?
I got you.
Then after him, you're good?
All right.
He's up.
All right, let me do a quick check here.
Alright.
Flight controls are free and clear with the rod. One right. Back on both. Front left. Back on both. Carb heat. We got good oil pressure. We got good suction. Trim is set. Fuel's on both.
Alrighty.
Windows, doors secure.
Yeah. Alright.
Grimes traffic, 29501, departing runway 29. Gonna stay in a pattern and drop 2 pumpkins. See anybody coming to you?
Nope. You're good on this side.
Okay. Let's see if I can practice my soft feel.
There you go.
Yeah, it is windy.
Yep.
Grimes traffic, 29501, turn crosswind for runway 29.
Might be a little difficult getting it lined up.
Yeah. I'll do my best. But that ultralight's down in there tight, isn't it? I'll fly it like we're flying the pattern.
You don't want to get down any lower?
Yeah, I guess I can try.
Down to like 500 AGL or something?
Yeah. Grimes traffic 29501, turning base to final for pumpkin drop. It's cruising, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah, it is. Slow down once we turn back around.
Yeah. Alright.
A little wide. Alright, I believe if you can stay over that dark spot, see the dark spot to the left of the runway?
Yeah.
I'm going to open the window.
Okay.
Get to the left just a hair.
Uh-huh.
Then, alright, go to the right. Keep going to the right. Keep going to the right. Keep going to the right. I think it was too short to the left.
Too short to the left.
Yep. Watch out for the bird.
Grimes traffic 29501, going around for another pumpkin drop.
Gonna get lined up. There's a plane right there.
Alright.
Gonna get lined up and then I'll take the controls. Or I can, either one. I can drop it or you can drop it. It's up to you.
I'll tell you, why don't you drop the next one?
Alright.
It's kind of a handful to hang on to.
Oh, I'm sure. Where's it at?
Should be right between our seats.
I see it.
Grimes traffic 29501, turning crosswind for downwind leg to a pumpkin drop.
Yeah, I think I dropped it a little too early, so I'll wait a little bit longer.
Drives traffic, pink L16 taking off midfield behind L2.
I'll turn to the right a little bit. I think, was he that low to drop the pumpkin? Or was that taking off?
Yeah, the pink guy just took off.
Okay.
Yeah, you get the traffic above you.
Yeah, the check market side. Grimes traffic 29501, turning in for base for final for another pumpkin drop. Last one, departing the pattern from here.
There we go.
Good simulated engine out for 2-2.
Alright, I'm opening the hatch.
Okay, hatch is open.
Alright, can you see where it is, that little
Yeah,
spot,
I see.
right on the...
Yeah, all right. Maybe a little bit more to the right.
Yep. believe that was straight shot. Hopefully it didn't go too far.
Runway 29.
I believe we did a pretty good job.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. First time.
Yeah. I think we got it pretty close.
Yeah.
Hazard alert.
Yeah, I got that up there, that little mountain. 2 miles, we'll be overtime by then.
How slow can you go?
Alright, I think that's enough video for now.